Hey guys, as I have told that I'll be back with my second video, how to hack a Wi-Fi password in 60 minutes. In this, basically, I'm going to discuss about that. Let me give you a brief introduction. Please, those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to subscribe. And get a daily update for that. Basically, in this, we are going to use a famous tool called a Fluxion. In this, Fluxion is basically used to create a fake access point. Without wasting a time, let me show you where you can download Fluxion. Just a second, let me open my browser and under the credentials. Yeah. You can get a Fluxion by simply Fluxion GitHub Connects. Cool. I've already downloaded. I just want to give you how to install that. See, Wi-Fi Analyzer official repo. See, you can simply clone this directory, and you can simply clone by using simply a git clone command, and then after that simply copy paste this. Simply copy paste this thing here, and then after that you can simply clone that thing. Now see, for getting that, for seeing tools, and then after that you can see I have already cloned this thing already. So in order to basically install this, you can see that there is an installation folder here. You can simply go to install directory, and then after that sudo /install.sh, and it will automatically install everything. And then after that simply you can, for running the Fluxion, you can simply use fluxion.sh. For that you need to do /fluxion.sh, right? Let me provide a sudo access, and then after that credentials. See, everything is okay, and then after that Fluxion will open. So basically, let me select the language. One. Cool. Let me scan all the channels available. See, you can't see for seeing the network available. You can simply cancel this, and all the network will be available here. Oh, cool. And after that, basically you have to select the Wi-Fi network in which you want to apply a Fluxion. So you want to create a fake access point. Let me do for this first one. It is always recommended that star mark is a good network, and you can try this hack. You can try creating this hack. Let me make it clear that in order to hack this, basically you are creating a fake access point, right? So for fake access point, you need to have a good network, good Wi-Fi adapter in order to create a fake access point, so that it is available everywhere. Otherwise, the user who is connecting to his Wi-Fi will have a lower network compared to the other, and he might have a doubt that how the network is basically low compared to the other one. So for this, basically you need a powerful wireless card for that. So in order to let me select option 1. Cool. And host fake access point you are going to create. It is always recommended that you choose option 1. And then after that, since you don't have any cap file, so basically you can skip by pressing an enter. And then after that you have to basically handshake check. Basically first you have to do a handshake check in order to generate a cap file. For that, basically I'm going to use a Pyrite, and basically I'm going to say deauthenticate all. Cool. And after that it will deauthenticate all networks, and if someone reconnected, then it automatically there will be a handshake available. Just a second. We can wait for a second. Let me see someone get connected, then we can have a handshake. Just a second. Just let me give a pause until someone reconnected. No one is getting reconnected, so basically we can wait for some time. See, now we have a WPA handshake available here. So basically now what you can do is simply here click on option 1 for checking a handshake. Now see, certificate invalid or not present, please choice. You can create a with the SSL certificate. Basically, you can select option 1, and we are going to create a basically web interface for that, so that user can enter the credentials. See, according to me, I think so. It's a TP link. So basically, you can go for a TP link. It's in English, or you can simply go to option 1. It's highly preferable that you can go for option 1 because it automatically asks for a password. So basically, you can go for option 1. Now the fake access point will be created, and it will keep deauthenticating that if someone is connected, and the fake access point will be available to that network. Now we can wait for SSID Deepak. If someone get connected, see Redmi Note 6 Pro get connected, and I think so he must enter the password. I think the password has been entered. Okay. See, basically we are getting a key not found error, right? So user must have entered the wrong cred for that. So basically, for that reason, here is key not found. If the user has entered the correct credentials, then you have got the key and the right key here. So in this way, you can keep on hacking someone's password. I think so. Someone near my network get connected to this Deepak Wi-Fi, and he doesn't have a password, so he must have entered the wrong credentials. So I got that key not found. So it is always advised that you should have a good network card, so that and the network is widely available, and the one who has a Wi-Fi gets connected to that, and the Wi-Fi password will be available. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget.